In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a private, custom, personal knowledge base using Anytype. We'll go from the initial setup all the way to creating a simple but powerful system you can actually use every day. The goal here is to build something private, organized, and flexible, so your notes, ideas, and projects all live in one connected space. First, download and install Anytype from the official website on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're using the official source so you get the latest version and the safest installation experience. Once it's installed, open the app and get ready to create your workspace. Next, launch the app, create your new vault, and carefully write down your secret recovery phrase in a secure place. This part is extremely important because that recovery phrase is what protects access to your knowledge base. Treat it like a key to everything inside your system and store it somewhere safe that you can access later if needed. Once you're inside, take a moment to understand one of the most important ideas in Anytype. Everything is an object. That means a note, a task, a bookmark, or a file isn't just a plain document. It's a structured piece of information that can be customized, linked, and organized in smarter ways. Understanding this early will make the rest of the setup much easier. Now start building your main homepage dashboard. Keep it clean and simple by adding clear headings and short sections for the key parts of your life or work, such as work, personal projects, and learning. Think of this page as your control center. You want it to help you quickly access the areas you use most often without feeling cluttered. After that, create customized object types that match your needs. For example, you might make types for books, recipes, or meeting notes. Add useful properties like dates and tags so each object captures the details that matter most. This is where your system starts to feel truly personal and tailored to your workflow. From there, begin linking your notes together by typing the @ symbol anywhere on a page. This allows you to connect related ideas and gradually build a web of knowledge instead of keeping everything isolated. Over time, these links make it much easier to discover patterns and move between related topics. You can then build sets and collections to organize information automatically. These can display your content as tables, Kanban boards, or galleries depending on how you prefer to view it. This helps turn your knowledge base into something visual and actionable, not just a storage space. Finally, build a quick capture habit by using the global shortcut to save thoughts as they come up, then sort them into your dashboard at the end of the day. With that in place, you now have a secure, connected digital brain tailored entirely to your workflow.